Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. That's grace that taught my heart to fear, and grace my fear relieved. How precious deep that grace appeared, that all suffer believe. The Lord has promised good to me. His word my hope secure. He will my shield and portion be, as long as life endures. As long